We all know that Bali is one of the most beautiful places in the entire world. But unfortunately, it's also one of the most scammed. So today I am going to be showing you the 10 most ruthless tourist scams in Bali right now, so you don't fall victim to them. Number 1. The fake police or army. This one can really ruin your day. And it's actually happened to a very close friend of mine. You'll be walking around and minding your own business when all of a sudden a man in a police or army uniform approaches you and asks you to come with him for questioning. He'll say something like, "Do you know you have a crime in your hand?" Then they'll take you to a shady ATM and try to withdraw a large sum of money. They'll say that this is needed for bail, and if you don't have enough money, they'll throw you in jail. Number 2. The classic motorbike scam. If you want to rent a motorbike on the island of Bali, you need to be extremely careful. If you rent from an unknown source, there's a chance you will never see that bike again. And even if you do, it will most likely not have all of its parts. So either rent from a reputable company or be prepared to get scammed. Number 3. Unlicensed taxis. There are a ton of unlicensed taxis on the island of Bali. These drivers usually hang around at popular tourist spots, hoping to make a quick buck by taking tourists to their destination for a price that is way overpriced. On top of that, these guys will try to take you to a certain store along the way where they get a kickback for bringing customers. Make sure you only use Bluebird taxis, as they are the only ones who are licensed to operate on the island. Number 4. The fake roadblocks. This one can be pretty tricky as it has gotten even the locals confused. Basically, there are fake roadblocks set up by scammers in order to get your money. When you drive past the fake roadblock, one of the officers will come out and tell you that you have done something wrong and need to pay a fine. They will then lead you to an ATM and tell you to withdraw the money. Number 5. The fake sweet old ladies. This is a new one that we have been seeing around the Canggu area. As you're walking down the street, you'll see a sweet old Balinese lady coming towards you. She'll drop some coconuts, and it will look like she's struggling to pick them up. At that moment, a man will appear and offer to help her pick up the coconuts. He'll tell you that she needs $100, and if you give it to her, she'll give you 20 back. Of course, this is just a lie. And the old lady isn't old, and she isn't trying to sell coconuts. It's just another scam to get your money. Number 6. Fake money changers. There are tons of fake money changers going around Bali right now, so I highly suggest you don't exchange your money with anyone who isn't official. The last thing you want to do is hand over a $100 bill, only to find out it's not real. Number 7. The deposit scam. This one is pretty sneaky and has even gotten some of our staff members scammed. Basically, let's say you go to a restaurant and decide to put down a deposit to reserve a table for your friends. What this scammer will do is take your phone and type in a random number. When your friends arrive, they'll give the phone back to you and tell you that the table was never reserved. Number 8. Buying from unofficial sellers. When you buy something from an unofficial seller, you have no guarantee that what you are buying is legit. For example, if you buy a handbag from a street vendor, there's a chance that it might be fake. That same chance applies to anything you buy from an unofficial seller. Number 9. ATMs. Be very careful when withdrawing money from an ATM in Bali. There's a chance that the card skimming machine may have copied your card details, and you'll start getting charged for transactions that you did not make. The best thing you can do is cover your PIN while you're typing it in and try to use an ATM inside of a bank. Number 10. Hotel and villa scams. If you're staying in a hotel or villa in Bali, it's important to be aware of all the extra fees that might apply. Some hotels will have mandatory fees for things like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, towels, and even the safe. Make sure to read the fine print before booking. Now that you know about all of these scams, you'll definitely be more prepared for your next trip to Bali. Thanks for watching, and see you later.